time I pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Fix up, look sharp, look sharp. Hey, back up, back up, back up, back up. I need room to flex, ain't where to go. Oh my God!
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? It's your girl, Uncle Earl, out here looking like somebody fine and grandpa. Today, I'm gonna share with you guys my wig slay. Bree actually braided down my inches on live. So if you guys missed that video, I'm gonna link it in the top right section for you guys. But y'all know I'm out here trying to grow my hair back, y'all. I get juiced anytime I see my inches, period. So I'm actually using the wig cap that came with the unit today. Y'all, look at her face. I said, baby, y'all need better advertisement. I could have been on the cover of this wig cap. Like, what is that face she's making? But I actually really love these wig caps because they're so much easier for me to melt down. I feel like the ones I got from the beauty supply were a little bit thicker and just harder for me to melt. So I don't know if y'all ever try using the ones that actually come with the units, but baby, it's been easier for me to use. So today we're gonna be slaying with that. I'm just using a little bit of the Got to Be glued in the black bottle to kind of slick back my edges, because y'all know I gotta keep my edges slick back. And then yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch me melt down this wig cap. So I promised myself during quarantine I would start dibbling and dabbling in wigs, especially since I'm trying to grow my hair back. And y'all, I watched Slay by Jordan. I watched a little bit of I Am Erica J, y'all, and they literally got me feeling like I could lay a wig down. So I'm super excited to share my results with you guys. I also just read your comments on that video, just the little suggestions that you guys gave. So thank you guys so much. I feel like I'm gonna be slaying wigs pretty soon because every time I do one, it gets better. And I was really, really excited to share this one with you guys because baby, it is laid. So I'm super excited to get to the finished results for you guys. So I'm actually not using an oil-free foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which I know you're typically supposed to use oil-free, but I didn't have any on hand, so this is just what I used. I didn't really see a problem with it, but I know somebody in the comment section is gonna say use oil-free makeup, and I'm definitely gonna work on finding one for my next install. So the hair that I'm using in this video is a 13x4 lace front closure from UNice hair, and the color of it is a highlighted brown, so it has some blonde highlights in there. And y'all, at first glance, I was really nervous about this color because it is very golden, and I am someone who loves the ashy look on myself. So originally I was gonna go ahead and tone it with like the Wella T18, but I was like, you know what, let me just play around with it. I saw a couple other YouTubers wearing it, and I'm like, you know what, it looked bomb. They fleeked it, so I knew that I could kind of just play around with it and make it look bomb on myself. But this wig is in 22 inches. The highlights are really at the top. Underneath is just like a really rusty warm brown. So as far as maintenance, I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit. It didn't come pre-bleached, just to help that blend a little bit more at the top. I had meant to pluck it, but I actually forgot until after the wig was like already installed and styled. But I just wanted to show you the way the wig was constructed, and it turned out bomb. So this is definitely one of those units where I knew if I just threw it on, I was not going to be happy with it, because whenever I wear this color, I definitely feel like I need to have on makeup. I don't know if it's because it's super close to my skin tone, but when I first threw it on, I was nervous, but I knew, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put on some makeup and this shit is about to look so bomb. But I definitely just wanted to show you guys it on my head. It fit perfectly for me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off those ear tabs. One thing I was a little bit iffy about was just the highlights at the top. They are not like blended out really well, so I felt like this unit would look best if you curl the hair, which is what I'm gonna do for it, or if you put it on a side part, it'll be harder to like see those lines where the highlights are, because yeah, it's just not blended out good. But I also don't know if I can just see that because I actually am like licensed and I do color and stuff too. So yeah, that's the only probably thing I would say that I disliked about the unit. Alright guys, so the wig is on. I was really happy with the way that this part looked. I just had to decide how I actually wanted to wear the hair, and I was like, I don't know that I can pull this off straight because it did look really wiggy to me. So I decided that I was going to actually curl the hair, and basically what I did was I kind of face framed a little bit because I wanted my curls to really fall at different layers. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and curl it. For my face framing, I usually start like around my chin area and go down. I think that that's like a great starting point just because it really frames out my face, and I have a really long face. So yeah, I kind of just played around with it and pictured where it would land. You can also always go back in and cut more once your curls are done. So I decided to stop there, and I'm going to go ahead and curl it now. Y'all, I still use a glove when I wand curl because I literally like to hold my curls on the barrel. I want it really soft waves, so this wand is really big. But yeah, if you guys were in the live when I showed this wig, I had actually originally curled it with a curling iron and pin curled it and everything, but the curls didn't hold for super long. So I just decided that I'm not going to spend an hour curling this wig, and I went in and did a soft wave, and I'm just going to hairspray that down, and you guys will see how that looks. So after I'm done doing this whole side, I'm going to show you guys in comparison so you guys can see how it looks versus it being just straight in its natural texture. And yeah. I do want to say that when I originally got the wig, it was really straight, but after I washed it from bleaching the knots, it was more like a body wave texture, which I actually really liked. So this is not the original texture of the wig that you guys see on the side that I'm not curling. Like I said, I had curled it and everything, but once you wash it, it has like that nice little body wave to it that I think is also really cute. So yes guys, look at these curls in comparison to the unit being straight. I just love the way that the curly side looks. It definitely like brings out those highlights that are on the top of the wig and the unit. So I went ahead and did the other side, and here we are at the finished look, guys. I was literally so proud of this. This wig looks so bomb. I literally posted on Instagram that same night, and everybody was like, oh my god, Pana, you look like Beyonce. And I'm like, stop, like I do. But no, I'm just kidding. But this unit did turn out bomb. Absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend. Like I said, don't be scared when you first take it out, because that was me, y'all. I was like, I don't know how this is gonna look on me. I'm gonna look absolutely crazy, but it turned out so popping. So let's show some love in the comment section if you guys think that I killed this look, if you guys are feeling this unit. I wanted to show you guys the back. I didn't realize that there was like a curl hiked up at the top. That's so irritating, but I wanted to show you guys the back of the unit. Oh my god, guys, I'm literally in love with this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to smash the like button, share my videos if you love them, and I will make sure that I list all of the details for the hair in the description section below for you guys. So yeah, I guess it's about that time that I will catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What you mean?